Good morning and welcome to this channel Productivity Pro. In our previous videos, we have discussed something about networking of CNC machines. We discussed how Bluetooth, industrial Bluetooth with very long range, about 500 meters, how it can be connected to CNC machine. Yesterday we discussed about Wi-Fi DNC, and today I am going to tell you something about NC editor. Now this product is exclusively developed for CNC programmers. Now you may wonder if we can make the program or we can develop the program using, let's say, Notepad or Word. Why a separate NC editor is required? So there are some advantages, so let me tell you few of them. See, this product by CIMCO called as Edit Professional, this has got all the prompting features. Say for example, if you are making a part program on a PC and let's say there is some drilling cycle or packing cycle or whatever, so the moment you put that cycle's code, all the required parameters will be prompted to you, so you don't miss any parameter. This is one. Second point is, in most of the companies, maybe first few lines, maybe 5-6 lines are very same or similar, so you can have that as a template. So when you develop a new program, it will immediately give you those lines. You can just fill in certain figures there and you can start programming. Another advantage is you can have the option called as CNC Calc. Now if you go for this option, the CIMCO Edit Professional allows you to take AutoCAD files in DXF format, and then you can apply the machining process and get the direct NC code. For example, there is some complex profile, let's say pocket milling, so you can just input that AutoCAD figure and select your cutter, so it will give you the NC code entirely for that particular pocket milling cycle. So this is one more advantage. Another advantage is, see, there are Mazak machines which have the specific programming format called as Mazatrol language. So these kind of Mazatrol programs are not possible to edit in any other NC editor. In CIMCO Edit Professional also, it is not possible to edit Mazatrol programs, but yes, you can view those files in the same format as if you are seeing Mazatrol file on the Mazak machine. So that is called as Mazatrol Viewer. This is one more optional feature of CIMCO Edit Professional. Next point is, when you complete the development of NC code or NC program as per your component, you can have the backplot function. You can simulate the entire program. You can simulate and you can see that how it is going to run the machine. You can also have a 3D simulation. You can also select a cutter. If it is a turning center, you can select the various cutters. If it is a VMC, then also you can have the library of tools which you can select and you can see the program running on the PC screen. This will eliminate the possibility of tool getting dashed on the component. Not only that, you can even inspect the part dimensions even before you manufacture the part. Another point is once the satisfactory toolpath is accepted by you, you can get the cycle time, the estimated cycle time on the machine. You can get the tooling list, you can get setup sheet. So all these additional features or additional things which you can get from the edit will definitely save lot of time on your shop floor. So once this everything is proven, then you can just send the program by DNC and the machine will start manufacturing that particular part. So it's a very good NC editor software. There are about more than maybe 10,000 users of this particular software. The price is very affordable. It supports different controllers, it supports turning center, it supports machining center. All those kind of options are available there. Another important feature is the file compare. Now when you run the program on the machine and maybe there are some valid changes on the machine, some modifications are there, speed, feed values, or you may alter the cutter diameter on the shop floor or whatever. So all the modified NC program, when you send it back to the PC, it has got a feature that two programs are compared side by side and all the changes are highlighted with the different color. So you can immediately approve the modification or you can reject that modification. So all these features are available in NC Edit Professional version. You can visit this website www.CIMCO.com. Digitech Engineers is a business partner of CIMCO in India as well as in Middle East countries. So thank you very much for watching this channel. Tomorrow I will again come back with another tip to improve the productivity. Thank you. Have a nice day.